Today we are from Group 1, presenting topic 1 about the Australian external reporting environment and the conceptual framework of accounting. For the unit of accounting theory and current issues, we are William here, Shankar, Israt Sarah, Rakibu, Solita, and Subrata. And our journal articles we have chosen are the Integrated Reporting and Internal Mechanism of Change by Wendy and Colin. And also the second journals are the Work Program and Priorities of the AASB by David. The reasons why we are choosing these journals, because they are related with the accounting changes for the recent years, and also they help the accounting related bodies to have a better understanding and to update their knowledge about the changes of these standards. Also, those two journals compare the differences between the rules and the regulation from the previous times to the modernization. And the first journal, it discussed about how the early adopters of integrated reporting in Australia coping with the changes of modernization. And the second journals, it talks about the overall workload which hasn't changed since AASB has adopting the IASB standards. And the next is the purpose of study, will be presented by Shankar.
Hi, my name is Shankar Mahadevan, and I am going to present the purpose of study. The main purpose of the journal article by Stubbs and Higgins 2014 is to find out how companies are adopting the new reporting technology when compared to the old process they were following. The reporting and also if there is any reporting, any integrated reporting is simulating innovative disclosure mechanisms available. And when we look at the journal article presented by David 2007, it is mainly researched on AASB's working programs. If there is any changes in their nature of work since they have adopted to the international standards of work. Now I would like to call upon Sarah to talk about similarities and differences.
Good afternoon, my name is Israt Sarah. I'm presenting the similarities and differences of the two articles. So the similarities of the two articles mainly is they both talk about the new rules and regulation, where the Stubbs and Higgins talk about the integrated reporting technique, how it's overlapping the old one, the sustainable reporting method. And the second article by Bono will say that how AASB is adapting with the new rules and regulation based on the international accounting standard rules. And there are also some differences. The main differences is that Bono and Stubbs both talk about two different times, where Bono talk about the time of 2007 when the Australian Accounting Board is just started to using the international accounting standard, and the Stubbs talking about the time of 2014 when there is a special technique, is integrated accounting procedure which is going to overlapping the sustainability one. So they both talk about the rules, but they are different rules and from different times. The next part is accounting is an Australian company. It will be presented by Subrata. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Subrata. I'm going to talk about the roles of Australian accountants. So, when there is a new accounting system in the market, the job of an accountant needs to be study about the new rules and regulations. So, for a certified accountant in Australia, their main job is to study about new rules and regulations, and the main purpose of the study is proper implementation for the social, economic, and environmental factors. Accountants should be aware of that AASB now following IASB accounting standard, so they need to follow the international accounting standard system for accounting reporting. So an accounting need to be aware of that. Accountant from public or private sector or non-profit entities or small and big entities need to be aware of that, the new changes. For example, if we talk about Australian Cancer Research Foundation, there is a non-profit organization, so the accountant from that company need to be more aware of the new changes, and as these companies are doing very good, they are adopting new rules efficiently. So Shobita will talk about the regulation.
Hello, I am Shobita Sarah. I am going to talk about accounting regulators. In accounting regulators, AASB has to maintain watching brief, adopting all international financial reporting standards and monitoring all methods. Integrating reporting is implemented within the organizations dependent on the Australian Accounting Standards Board and the Department of Business Innovation and Skills. On the other hand, Australian Accounting Standards Board has to maintain the adopted new set of rules and follow the works of IASB's standard. International Financial Reporting Standard has to make sure that all changes are adopted and knowledge of new method checking standards for public and private sectors and research and development projects. That's all. Thank you. Now, last part will be presented by Rakibul Haq.
Hello, I am Rakibul Haq. My part is about external users. So, the integrated reporting includes the work of global reporting, GRI, the Business Council of Sustainable Development, the World Research Institute, the carbon projects and even global compacts as well, EGOS 2014. The second thing is about external users is accounting to ASB has too much workload projects at a time. External part related with these work programs include the government departments, the financial reporting of general government sectors by government superannuation firms and many small and medium level companies can be affected as well. The last part is conclusion. To get idea of and how the accounting reporting systems or how to group the people including accountants, regulatory bodies and external parties related with the process. Thank you so much. Any question, guys?